On a fateful summer's day in 1645, the battlefield of Naseby in Northamptonshire was a stage for a clash of swords and the cries of soldiers. The English Civil War, a conflict that had divided the nation, was reaching its zenith. King Charles I, with a determined glint in his eye, led his Royalist forces, their red coats standing out against the green fields. On the other side stood Oliver Cromwell, the Parliamentarian Commander, his resolve unwavering as he marshaled his men. The Royalists, overconfident in their strength, underestimated the strategic brilliance of Cromwell. They advanced, their lines stretching across the battlefield like a tide about to crash upon the shore. Cromwell, with a cunning plan, ordered his men to feign retreat. The Royalists, sensing an opportunity, pursued, leaving their lines vulnerable. Cromwell struck swiftly, turning the tide of the battle. The resulting carnage was devastating. The Royalists suffered heavy losses, their ranks battered and their morale shattered. King Charles I, attempting to flee the battlefield, was captured, effectively ending his military career. The Battle of Naseby was a turning point in the English Civil War. It marked the beginning of the end for King Charles I and the Royalist cause. The victory solidified the ascendancy of the Parliamentarians, paving the way for the eventual execution of the king and the establishment of the Commonwealth. The echoes of the clash at Naseby reverberated through the years, a testament to a time when the fate of a nation hung in the balance, and a decisive battle determined its course. The battlefield of Naseby, now a peaceful patch of rolling hills, still whispers the tales of the valor and tragedy of that fateful summer's day in 1645.